Want to know how to add a video to your profile that shows your experience and how you work? So no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it in just under a minute. So what Guru.com does is it enables you to add video which showcases your profile and how you work with, which is really important if you want to get hired quicker. So which could be your editing, your designing skills, and how you make stuff and much more. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So on the top right side you should be seeing your profile, just simply select that and then select edit profile right here. So now once you have selected edit profile, you can just simply see on the left side various options, and right beside your website and you should be seeing this video icon, just simply select this plus icon right here and then select your professional link. So you can just simply select that, and now just simply add the link and then select save. So you can add link of YouTube or Vimeo. So you can just simply copy the URL and then paste it right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.